up, my boys? It's me, Craig here, and welcome back to another episode on my channel. Anyways, today I'm going to be unboxing Eon's Elite Zook, one of my favorite Skylanders. This is the last one I need to get is Slam Bam, and the Series 2 ones are going to be complete. So here's the back. The ones that I got are Boomer, Dino Rang, Ghost Roaster, Voodoo, and Zook. So let's get this thing out of the box. Alright, here goes. Boom! Okay. Here we go. Last piece. Nice, I got him out. I did it! I finally did it! Alright, so here's Eon's Elite Zook. And oh my god, I actually did it first time on this channel. There's a pineapple in his bazooka. And his hand is up. Why is there a pineapple in his bazooka, guys? Oh well. That was awesome. I did it first time. Woo! Woo! Okay, guys. So that's the unboxing for Eon's Elite Zook. The new character, Smash Bros. Min Min gameplay is gonna be coming soon on my channel. So see you guys next time. Bye, guys.